Have you ever heard of an ancient doctor's secret involving castor oil and baking soda? This simple duo has passed through generations, and even today, scientists and natural health enthusiasts are exploring its effects on a variety of health issues. From pain relief to skincare, these two elements hold surprising potential you might never have imagined. Throughout this video, we'll explore 12 powerful uses for castor oil and baking soda, going beyond the usual tips. Stay tuned until the end, as the last one might surprise you with a benefit beyond what you'd expect. Castor oil is well known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, making it a vital ally in natural medicine. Studies show it can improve skin conditions like dry patches and irritations, while also aiding the recovery of minor wounds. Meanwhile, baking soda acts as a natural neutralizer for acidity and inflammation, enhancing the benefits of this combination. Let's dive into 12 ways you can make the most of this partnership for your health. 1. Joint pain relief. For those dealing with joint pain or arthritis, castor oil offers an interesting natural alternative. When applied as warm compresses over joints, it helps reduce inflammation, providing long-lasting relief. Research suggests that the anti-inflammatory effects of castor oil can benefit people seeking natural daily joint care. 2. Skin care and acne relief. Castor oil contains fatty acids that deeply penetrate the skin, fighting bacteria and soothing inflammation. This is especially helpful for those dealing with acne, as it helps reduce redness and swelling, promoting a quicker, more natural skin recovery. 3. Constipation relief. When used in controlled doses, castor oil acts as a natural laxative, stimulating the intestines and providing relief in cases of mild constipation. A study published in Digestive Diseases and Sciences demonstrated that this use can be safe and effective when done under medical guidance. 4. Healing minor wounds. With its antimicrobial properties, castor oil can be applied to small wounds to promote quick and safe healing. It creates a protective barrier on the skin, preventing infections and speeding up the recovery process. 5. Baking soda as a natural deodorant. For those looking for alternatives to commercial deodorants, baking soda is an excellent choice. Just a small amount mixed with water acts as a natural odor neutralizer, ideal for anyone seeking a more natural lifestyle. 6. Relief for bug bites and skin irritations. Baking soda, when turned into a paste with a bit of water, is great for treating insect bites. It reduces itching and redness, providing immediate relief. Research shows that baking soda's alkaline property helps neutralize the acidity of bites, speeding up relief. 7. Reducing swelling in legs and feet. People who stand for long periods or are prone to swelling in the legs and feet may benefit from castor oil. Gently massaging the feet and legs with the oil helps stimulate circulation and reduce discomfort. Its relaxing properties can also help relieve cramps. 8. Removing calluses and softening skin. When castor oil is combined with baking soda, it creates a powerful paste for softening calluses and rough skin areas. This natural treatment is ideal for those who want to avoid more invasive methods while keeping their feet soft and healthy. 9. Treating bad breath. Baking soda is an excellent ally for combating bad breath. By mixing a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of warm water and swishing, it helps neutralize mouth acids and eliminate odor-causing bacteria. This method is natural and effective, providing fresh breath throughout the day. Research indicates that baking soda is safe for occasional use and can be a great alternative for those avoiding stronger mouthwashes. 10. Fungal infection relief for nails. Castor oil contains compounds that combat fungi, making it useful for people with fungal nail infections. Applied regularly, it acts as a natural strengthener, helping to eliminate fungi and restore nail health. 11. Indigestion relief and gas reduction. Dissolved in a glass of water, baking soda is a traditional remedy for relieving indigestion and gas. Studies back up its use, showing that baking soda can neutralize stomach acidity, providing relief in minutes. 12. Reducing wrinkles and intense hydration. Rich in fatty acids, castor oil deeply hydrates the skin, which is especially beneficial for mature skin. Regular application can soften fine lines and promote a healthier appearance. This treatment is popular across various cultures and is effective for those seeking a natural moisturizer.